Also tonight, hundreds of female prison guards have been fighting a lengthy legal battle against the California prison system, or CDCR.
Yeah, they say they were denied reasonable accommodations to go on lighter duties without demotions or a pay cut while they were pregnant. Investigative reporter Hilda Gutierrez has more.
Correctional officers across the state claim they suffer miscarriages and lost wages as a result of a pregnancy accommodation policy that changed in 2015 without explanation. Their lengthy legal fight might soon come to an end.
I've had punches thrown across my face. I've been hit. I've been kicked, stuff thrown at me. I've had feces thrown at me.
As a correctional officer at the California Medical Facility in Vacaville, a medium security men's state prison, Leah McCowan says she expected those incidents, but not after she became pregnant.
I knew I was going to have to continue to work. I had never seen anybody pregnant working there. Or if they did, they were upstairs in payroll, or they were in the mailroom.
That was 2016. Just a year prior, McCowan's employer, the California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation, had quietly replaced a policy that required them to provide light-duty accommodations to pregnant officers for reasons it refuses to explain.
There was no accommodation. There was no putting you anywhere. You would have to kind of basically figure out a way to go hide yourself.
How did that make you feel?
Awful. Absolutely terrible.
But she says she continued working 16-hour shifts while carrying a 15-pound work belt around her waist.
I would have inmates say, like, what are you doing? Like, what? Why are you still working on the line?
This was McCowan's second pregnancy, but her first under the new policy. She says she and her husband wanted a large family, and in 2018, she was pregnant again when she took part in an emergency cell entry where she had to remove a heavy locker.
So I moved it, and pretty much instantly I felt pain in my back, which I thought I just kind of tweaked my back, but I ended up miscarrying.
McCowan is one of nearly 300 female correctional officers suing the State Department for discrimination, retaliation, and denial of pregnancy disability rights.
It's a lawsuit about equality of women in the workplace.
Arnold Peter is McCowan's attorney. He says CDCR violated California law, adding that other prison systems and most law enforcement agencies provide accommodations for pregnant officers.
We're asking for the same treatment that any other woman in the state of California would be entitled to.
According to Cal HR data, since 2017, between 15 to 16% of CDCR's correctional officers have been women. CDCR's website shows the first female correctional officers were hired in the 1970s, and they claim to currently hire women at a higher rate than the national average.
So I work in the mental health side of it and have my entire career there.
Melissa Glade is also a correctional officer at the Vacaville prison and a plaintiff in the lawsuit. She says she was 24 weeks pregnant when she was asked to do an emergency cell entry.
And I refused and then went home. I emailed my doctor like as soon as I got out to the parking lot, and I let him know what had happened. And he took me off of work and put me on disability that same day.
Glade says she only received 50% of her pay while she was on disability. But she considers herself one of the lucky ones, since multiple plaintiffs claim they suffer miscarriages.
Sorry. It's just sad. I mean, I got to bring my babies home, but not everybody did.
The state's Civil Rights Department, responsible for enforcing workplace discrimination laws, also filed its own lawsuit, seeking a return to the pre-2015 pregnancy policy. Facing lawsuits and a bill to address the issue, in 2020, CDCR reverted to its pre-2015 policy, but not before McCowan suffered another incident while pregnant for the fourth time.
The inmate fought, and he fought us. He broke the threshold. He kicked. He punched. He did everything he could.
Her baby survived, but she hurt her back and couldn't work for 3 years. The California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation refused to talk with us, but in an email told us a settlement to the class action lawsuit is in the works, and the proposed settlement will provide significant benefits to members of the settlement class and acknowledges that the underlying disputed policies have ended.
They all understand they signed up to undertake a very dangerous job. That was their decision. They're adults. They appreciate that. However, they did not sign up their children to be placed in this situation.
Attorney Arnold Peter and his clients say they reached out to Governor Newsom's office asking him to intervene since state prisons fall under his purview. That never happened. His office told us they don't typically weigh in on matters involving active litigation. The class action lawsuit has since expanded to include other female staff of the prisons, an estimate of more than 1,000 women who were pregnant between 2015 and 2020 under CDCR's prior policy. With the investigative unit, I'm Hilda Gutierrez.
Okay, thank you very much, Hilda. An enlightening story. If you have a story for Hilda or anyone in the investigative unit, you can call 888-996-TIPS, or you can visit our website, NBCBay.com/investigations.